Just got done with a stop here by Dave Schleicher. He bought a white corn planter here 2 weeks ago, and it came with an egg leader system, and he asked me if I could help him hook it all up. And we've been working it up. And also then the liquid side, we had some issues. The guy that had it before was not running the rate that he wants to run, so we had to make some line changes and do some plumbing differently. So I basically ordered him in the last parts we should need to get the liquid side all done. I had an ISO cable I had to hook into the John Deere Green Star cable, and then also wire it into the egg leader display cable, so that way I can get my downforce, the egg leader side of the downforce, to be displayed on the InCommand 1200. Did that, and then we had to make a receiver connection yet with a Y cable from Egg Express, and route that into the GPS serial port again on the egg leader display cable, so I can get information over. Went into the ITC receiver on the brown box monitor, changed the serial settings or serial output settings for the baud rate, and turn my NEMA strings on that I need. I got a green satellite on my egg leader display, so I'm pretty confident everything should be good to go. I've got to get him one little cable yet to make a connection and save him one spot on a convenience outlet plug because he's kind of running out of space and stuff in the cab. So I just got one other connection he's going to make. I'll get him a cable and he should be good. I do like the challenge of working with through different companies, as long as I got a pretty good idea how they're doing things, and how, all in all, everybody kind of does everything kind of the same. The button presses are usually just a little bit different. Maybe there's a different spot to go to get to certain things, but all in all, everybody kind of has the same idea on how to do things. So when you know that, and you know what you can mix and match and make work, again, it just helps everybody out. I'm just trying to make it easier for the grower. This particular connection here, if you'd have done it exactly like Egg Leader wanted, you'd take the cab cable and go out to the ISO connector. Well, because my ISO connection comes inside the cab for the Green Star harness, I can make it into cab. I can make it a little neater, save him some space, save him an extra cable that's got to go out the cab. So you kind of understand where I can just cheat a little bit and hook up here instead of hooking up where they may suggest.